Good evening, students. Welcome to SP Smart Hybrid Schooling System. So we will be discussing the answers for year part test 4. The very first question is: a dash driver was arrested yesterday on a drunk driving dash on the Delhi Chandigarh highway. So the right answer is E. A sleepy driver was arrested yesterday on a drunk driving charge on the Delhi Chandigarh highway. So the second question is the answer for the second question is A. Forced dash is when political parties hire PR agencies which dash employ social media influencer who release the same tweet with the hashtag at a high intensity. Forced trending is when political party hire PR agency which further employs social media influencer who release the same tweets with the hashtag at a high intensity. Yeah, economic growth which had been trending down for some time but had been given a boost by strong governance reforms was given a demand boost to facilitate further acceleration. So beta, this is the right option which is being fixed in the both fill-ups. ठीक है बच्चे? Okay. If we are moving to the next one, the third one, India did not have dash targeting then and so was able to deal with the shocks that dash than many countries. Or dash remains below target for many central banks and is generally set to stay that way in the year ahead, even though the World Economic in Journal is set to do much dash in 2018. The right answer for third question is B. Right? B option will be getting fitted to 1 and second part of your question number 3rd. US consumer confidence jumped to a near 17-year high in October while households dash about the labor market and business dash which could underpin consumer spending and boost the economy. And the second part is the services sector was the most dash about business prospect in over 3 years with about 9% of firms expecting more favorable business dash in October to March period. Beta, the right answer for question number 4 is D. Upbeat and condition. The fifth one is should quarterly growth dash and BJP make gains in several state elections, it would salvage lost dash indicating a positive shift in perceptions. And the second part is we expect crude oil to dash to USD 65 per barrel along with commodities standing their dash against the temporary headwinds. The right answer for question number 5th is C. Rebound and ground. The slow, lumbering, stupid, robotic, virtually behaviorless dash of my childhood have been replaced by dash agile, potentially warm-blooded, adequately smart and behaviorally complex creature. Above all, the SG1 had style a curvy dash, yet one that was also dash and elephant and sold in a range of brave colors. SG1 could be had in mustard, purse, slime and abattoir hues. Hue का क्या मतलब होता है बेटा? Hue का मतलब होता है colors. So the right answer for question number 6 is E. The 7th one is both the French political writers Alex de Tocqueville and J.D. Master Yoda were unusually dash while de Tocqueville predicted that the debate over slavery would tear the Union apart. Yoda, an unusually dash observer of human nature, predicated that Anakin would become Darth Vader. The second part of this question is the judge was much too dash to be taken in by such an argument. It was not that difficult dash Ellen motive for killing her husband, the $1 million life insurance policy. The right answer for question number 7 would be D, as it will be fitting in both the fill-ups. Question number 8. The very first part says the prospect of Afghanistan again becoming a dash for the world's most dangerous terrorist overcame his dash to fighting a seemingly unwinnable war. The second part is the Japanese yen, seen as a safe dash in times of crisis, has gained about 3% against the South Korean won over the period from April 3rd, when Trump said the United States could act alone against North Korea if necessary, although Japan wouldn't remain unsashed should there be military conflict in the peninsula. The yen is still bought when risk dash heightens globally. The right answer for question number 8 is C. Have and aversion. Ninth one is Indian companies come in all shapes and sizes, and what unites them is that they accord undue deference to promoters. The dash status bestowed on promoter is a dash feature of the Indian corporate landscape. The second part says religion was appreciated as founding all dimensions of reality, from the cosmic to the human, from the physical to the spiritual. Indeed, the greater the transcendence, the greater the immanence of the divine in all, the more dash and penetrating its effect, and hence the greater the work of humankind, the greater the glory of the God. Question number 9th is B. The right answer for question number 9th is B. Exalted and pervasive. Question number 10 says the variety of explanation for dash in our sources can be dash under a single general function, namely punishments of wrongs towards the community. The second part is from the aforementioned stories of Confucius and Mencius. It can be inferred that those who did not comply with the majority were likely to attract dash, as were those whose actions were not dash under the general principle of the middle way. So बच्चे, the right answer for question number 10th is A. Now we are moving to question number 11. The question number 11 says Bangladesh delayed the start of planned repatriation of Rohingyas refugee to Myanmar, dash that it had not compiled a list of those ready to return. So the right answer is D. The 12th one says America's government was briefly dashed after Democrats and Republicans failed to agree on a spending bill. The right answer for question number 12 is B. Only second. Shut down. Question number 13 says these approaches are not dash to most business system because they don't have clearly defined outcomes and they deal with far too many variables. The answer for question number 13 is C. Only 1 and second. The question number 14 says the new opportunity for India IT will dash the training of hundreds of thousands of engineers and establishment of new consulting practices. The right answer for question number 14th is E. All of the above. Question number 15 says strategic defaulter may dash up to 40% of non-performing loan against an original estimate of 15%, which was revised to 25% at the end of 2017. So the right answer is A. Only 1. Question number 16 says the most noteworthy global financial and economic events of 2017 was the dash rise of Bitcoin. It's the question number 16, and the right answer would be D. Only 1 and second. The 17th question says the anti-dumping law provides the US business with an internationally accepted mechanism to seek relief from the effects of unfair pricing of imports into the US? The right answer of question number 17 is A. Only one. The 18th one is India's labor intensive industry are languishing with exports of these industries showing dash growth. The right answer for question number 18 is B. Question number 19 says companies dash from paying a dividend when they feel the need of conserve cash. The right answer is C. That means avoid and refrain. We are moving to the next question. The next question is the 20th one. The 20th question says the mandate of the election commission is to dash free and fair election by providing a level playing field in an atmosphere without fear. The very first option is conduct. Second option is serve. The third one is organize. The right answer is C. Only one and third. One conduct and third organize. The 21st question is North Korean leader Kim Jong-un held talks with Chinese President Jinping and dash his commitment to the denuclearization of Peninsula. So the 21st answer is A. A and B, emphasized and affirmed. 22nd is the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, has dash a penalty of rupees 58.9 crore on ICICI Bank Limited for non-compliance of direction issued by it. The right answer is B, that is C and D. It's A, B, C, D. C and D. The 23rd question is India's listed corporate will have to dash quick action to get on board more directors, including a woman, if they have to ensure compliance with the SEBI's new corporate government norms. The right answer for question number 23rd is C, B and D. A, B, C and D. In a press statement, the spokesperson reiterated that the compulsory continues to give dash importance to regulatory compliance and endeavor to meet supervisory expectations. So the 24th is D, C, D. And the last one, in order to reduce the fiscal deficit, the Economic Affairs Secretary said that in the next fiscal, the GSEC buyback would be dashed by rupees 25,000 crore. A, B, C, D. The right answer is D, A and B. Thank you.